Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. And then make sure you go to manage subscription. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply select a particular promotional mail right here. So you can scroll down right here and choose any one of your choice right here. However, I'm going to choose Reddit right here as an example in this particular tutorial. So what we want to do here is to make sure we click on this manual sign right here. And this is going to pop up right here. Stop getting messages from all mailing lists from Reddit. Then what we want to do right here is either you go to the website and stop getting mail from them, or better still, so what we want to do here right here is to make sure we click on block instead. And it's that simple. With that, you will no longer receive a promotional mail from that particular website URL in your Gmail account. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.